Hi everyone. Uh, this is a part two. I just want to install Kali Linux on the Virtualbox. So I'm just going to download Virtualbox ISO file. Let's see how to install Kali Linux on the Virtualbox. So what I'm going to do is I just opened up the Safari browser. I'm just going to type install Kali Linux on Virtualbox Mac. Okay, there are YouTube tutorials and many other things. How to install Kali Linux on Virtualbox. Let's see what's there. Because I have never installed a Kali Linux on a Virtualbox. We'll go through what is the process on installing this. Sorry. So what they're going to do is downloading the installation image of the Kali Linux. Okay, so we just want to download an ISO file. First we need to go to the official website. So I'm just opening the link in new tab. Okay, so there we can download the ISO file. Kali Linux. Okay, save the ISO file with a custom folder. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so what is it? Direct access to hardware customers, Kali kernel, virtual machines, limited direct access to hardware, your system requirements. Choose your Kali light and dark. What is it? Light and dark. Okay. It looks entirely different. Access to Kali tools through WSL framework. No. Mobile. No. I guess we need to go for VirtualBox. Okay. VMware and VirtualBox pre-built images, allowing for a Kali install without altering the host OS with additional features such as snapshot, background images for quick spin up also available. And what is this bare metal? Direct access to hardware, no overhead, single or multiple boot Kali, giving you complete control over the hardware access. I just don't want this bare metal thing, so I'm just going with virtual machines. It came to bare metal. Just selected that one. It still came up to this something bare metal thing. Let's see. Okay, 64 Apple M1. I don't know what to install. Let's see what's here. .iso file I need to install, but I wouldn't find any .iso file. I mean, I don't see the extension. Okay, it's a 64 untested images. No, I don't want untested images. 4.3 GB. Oh, it's too much. Okay, I saw virtual. Very good. Okay, this is bare metal, so this. Man, what happened? VirtualBox, virtual machine, 64-bit. I already had a VirtualBox, so okay, I will download this one. Images.kali.arc .ova file. I thought it should be .iso, but seems like it is having the .ova file. Okay, can I pause the video? Do I have the option? I don't see. 3 GB. Okay, 4 GB. Okay, meanwhile, I will check how to install .ova file in VirtualBox. Okay, so install .ova file. OVA Virtualbox. Okay, now select your OVA in the import box and verify the settings in the center window. Okay, let's see. Virtualbox from Oracle is an incredibly forward. I'm just following the web, and since this is the first time, I'm just going with whatever I know. Many people will show like uh, they will pause somewhere and they install something, or it will be running in the background and they will pause the video, and they will come up like we have installed the video. So I don't want to do that. I just want to be show the complete thing. So let's see. Using OVA files, download and install Virtualbox. Okay, it's downloading. It is taking so much time since I don't have that much good internet connection. Meanwhile, let's see on importing the file. Okay, so I'm just opening the VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox and select file, import appliance. Okay, I didn't see any file. Select file. Okay, where is it? Okay, yeah, file, import appliance. Okay, then what I need to do? Select your OBF file in the import box and verify the settings in the center window. Local file system. Yeah, it's local file system. File, it's downloading, so I cannot do now. So we just have to wait. Okay. We have to wait until the download is finished. Okay, I'm just leaving it here uh, because since it is taking so much time, maybe let's see how it goes. I'm not doing anything in the background. I will just keep my setup here, and I will go and I will do my other work. I will come back later and just start from exactly where we left. Maybe while editing the video, if I do edit the video, you may see like this part. I mean, until the download gets finished, you may see a skip. Other than that, I'm not installing anything in the background. Okay. Okay, so it's going to end within a minute. So let's see where we stopped. Let's see what it. Okay, so we need to choose the OVA file. Okay, click import at the bottom. Allow VirtualBox to import the file and then configure it for use. It may take a little while to import OVA files. I recently imported it in macOS and it took over an hour. The previous Linux image took a 10 minutes, so you may or may not need to be patient waiting for VirtualBox to install the operating system. Okay. When you select the OVA to import, the main details appear in the center of the VirtualBox. Okay. Export from VirtualBox. Using OVA files. We need to import, not export. Right? Default VirtualBox is used .ada, and when importing from an OVA, it can export to an OVA file. Okay, this is the option for the OVA, so you can freely use the image in different computer or VM program. Got it. Okay, so the download is done. Let's map the file. So we need to go for downloads. Okay, here we have downloads, and I selected the OVA file. I chose it to open and click on continue. Okay, so it's Kali virtual system. If we want to change anything here, we can change. So 2 GB RAM. I don't know how much this Mac has the RAM. I assume it's a 8 GB RAM. Okay, so I will allocate 4 GB. 1024 into 4. 4096. Okay, so apart from that, user system, put hard drive and VDI, include only NAT, generate new NAT for all network adapters. Only I don't know. I will just leave it as default. CPU to CPU. Mac CPU. Don't have anything. Okay, let's import. Which one people that agree to the terms and license. Okay, I agree. Okay, it's importing. So what we need to do after once it got imported, import and then configure it for use. Okay, we just need to configure. Let's see what will happen after that. Meanwhile, I was working on Windows actually, so I saw like when we install Kali Linux on the VirtualBox, we won't get a full screen. We have to install guest additions. Let's see if this is the case for this. Then we have to install guest additions, and we need to we need to install the guest box. Maybe I will do it as part 3. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, so installation is done, and it's saying username is Kali, password is also Kali. Let's put up. Oh, it closed. So it came here. Failed to open a session for the virtual machine. Some error. Nice. Okay, because the USB 2.0 state is part of the saved VM state, the VM cannot be started. To fix this problem, either install the Oracle VM Virtualbox extension or disable USB 2.0 support in the VM settings. So instead of installing the VirtualBox extension, I will disable the USB 2.0 control. I don't know how to disable. Let's see. Settings, network, no, ports, USB. So USB 2.0, I need to disable. Okay, I'm completely disabling the USB ports. Okay, so none of them are active, and I'm just starting it again. See, I mentioned right, so the screen is very small. Let's see if we have a view full screen mode. Let's switch. See, even though we switched to full screen mode, we didn't. Oh, this is nice. We got the full screen. Okay, this is good. So, yeah. Okay, so we entered into the Kali. So this is how uh, we need to install Kali Linux. If you are facing any issues, just let me know. If I can help, I will post the details. Thank you. So I'm just powering off the virtual machine. So go to Virtualbox, power up the machine, and keep it. So this has turned off. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.